everybody, it's Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. And you guys are in for a treat today. We're gonna make the money bag. It's a play off of the money bouquet. It's much faster. You have a small bag with a realistic chain, and then you have 5 flowers in there. You make them in any denomination you want, and you have roses that have little rhinestones in there. So come on, let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about the supplies that we're going to use today. So we're going to be using money, of course, and we have the skewers, the 6-inch skewers that are going to be used for preparing the money, and of course our magic tape. And then we have a bag. The bag is going to be what we put our foam in to actually make the money bag. And then we have some roses, and we're going to add some rhinestones to the roses. Of course, we need the foam in order to put in here to add. And then we have our butterflies, and when we're done, we're going to add a little tissue paper to just make it look really cute. And we'll likely be using some glue sticks and a glue gun. And so we can go ahead and get started. We're going to start with just making our money. So we've made money before. You just put the stick just about under the nose, and then you're going to take a piece of tape, fold it down like that, shake it to make sure that you don't have too much, or more than one I should say, and then you're going to just fold that in and side, matching up the ends on the inside. Leave it fluffy, so we're going to do it like that. Make sure that that's fluffy, and then we're going to go ahead and tape the end. And there's your flower. If you want to add another piece of tape, you can do that as well. Okay, so again, put the flower in the middle, rub on both sides, shake it, make sure you only have one, fold it in, match up your centers. I'm going to do 5 so that we can do our first flower. Take each of these together like so. And you just kind of hold them all together, and then you just tape them. So you could do like a 4, but it's meant to be done with 5. And then you just want to tightly tape at the top. And you're going to tape at the bottom. And this is one. You're going to make 5 of these. So it'll go like this, and you need 5. To complete this, you're going to take one of your roses over here. So let's see if we get it off. Take it off the stem. Put it on here. Pointy side in. Put it in there. And then if you want to add rhinestones, and I'll have all of this in my Amazon shop. If you want to add the rhinestones, it's really just a pin, and you're going to go to the center. Keep your hands on the outside so you don't stick yourself, and you'll just push it down. And it'll just keep going down to the center, and that's how you make your little rhinestone rose. And you can make it go further, and like that, and that's how you have the rhinestone in the center. And now this can be added right in the middle. Guess I should have added it before I taped it, but it's okay. She makes it a little bit easier. So there you have it. That's your complete. You'll have 5 of these. Okay, so back at the dollars are all ready. I'm gonna go ahead and make 4 more of the flowers. So hold the rose. And try to get it in the center. We have our 5 flowers like so. So we're ready to prepare our little bags. So these bags, again, I'll have these available in my Amazon shop. And it's just a small bag. You can buy, I think you can buy like 2, or you can buy, I bought a box of them, so a bag, pack of them. So it's like, I think 3 pink, 3 white, 3 pink, white, black, and red. I think it was 3 of each. I'm gonna try to do, since that's just tissue paper, it's not the, this gold is not the paper that is the floral paper. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to cover it now, and then I can maybe put a piece in like this as well. That's why I wasn't sure if I would need the glue gun or not, because it's just a real soft regular tissue paper and it tears. So like I just wanted to brick covered. So actually that's pretty good. Oh, and before I start stuffing it, this comes with a chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chain in. Chain is just too cute. Got a little chain, got a little bag, and if you wanted to really be fancy, you could put a few rhinestones in, like the where they meet, the little diamond pattern meets. Okay, so you got your little chain, and now, okay, so we got our tissue paper, we have our brick in. We'll start by putting this dead center. I'm just gonna push it down, and this is why we're using the small skewers. You can imagine it's not that big, right? I'm just trying to push it in. And then this is kind of going on an angle. And I'll see if I can push it more down. For now. Angle. And then this one will come on an angle from the front. Like that. And then this one angle from the back. This one will be here. And then this one here will be in the front. I have my glue gun getting hot because I'm going to do a couple of the butterflies. And then I'm going to kind of scrunch the inner paper. So we had 2, and I'm just scrunching up the one that was on the inside. So this is what we got so far. And then we'll add our little butterflies. So as soon as the glue gun gets ready, right up to this. Let's see what we're gonna do. Put a nice size one in the bag. Maybe we'll do medium, and I'm gonna do this one all the way back where the stick is, so it just kind of covers the stick, so you kind of see it in the back there. And then I'm gonna do one that's a little more closer, so that's gonna be more up front, but this way you won't see sticks. And this one to go like under, put it like on the bag too. Just kind of fill the bag, and then I'll do one in the back here. Little dab of glue right there, and we'll let that sit right on there like that. And there you have it. This is the money bag. I hope you found that video helpful. Thanks as always for watching CrystalsDiversiCreations. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get future notifications.